Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device. So first of all, you want to open settings, and then you have to go to the account section, tap add account, then select Google. Of course, you will need an internet connection for this operation. There's no other way you can add Google account without internet. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap next. Next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and for the last thing you have to tap accept. In the next menu here, an account will be added. If you want to delete your account, just select it here and then tap here. And tap remove account, and account will be removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.